Students, today we are going to study subject geography standard 9th lesson number 4 exogentic processes part 2 video number 11. Students, in previous video we learned about weathering and types of weathering, and also the earth's surface wears away because of erosion. The eroded materials get carried away by agents. When the speed of the agents reduces, the material gets deposited. The agents like running water, glacier, wind, sea waves and groundwater do the work of erosion, transportation and deposition. And because of these agents, the earth's surface keeps on undergoing changes and new landforms are formed. So in this lesson we are going to study about the agents of erosion. The agents of erosion are wind, rivers, glaciers, sea waves and groundwater. And because of these important phases of the different agents, the different landforms are formed, means the work is carried out erosion, transportation and deposition. And we will study in this lesson how the different landforms are formed due to the agents of erosion. See, the first we will start with the work of the river. You can see in this picture, this is the picture of the river. Means what is a river? That running water flows naturally in direction according to the gravity along the slope and make its own way. This is called a flow of water. Means when many such flows of water come together, a river is formed. Means many such flows, that is the flows rail, gully, stream, all these flows are come together and form a flow of water. Yeah, flows of water come together, it is called a river. See the next point, the erosional work of the river. So the main point is that the river work is depends on the slope of land, the type of rock, volume of water and also flowing volume of sediments in the river. These are the factors on which the erosional, transportational and depositional work of the rivers depend on. Means main is the type of the rock, volume of water flowing in the river and the length of the flow also and volume of sediments. On these factors the river works is depend on. So first we will study about the erosional work of the rivers, and due to erosional work of the river which landforms are formed. Means the river originate at a much higher altitude from the sea level. Here the river flows at a great speed and therefore its power to erode is a great. Means due to the erosional work of the river, the different landforms are formed like a gorge, that is called also canyons, V-shaped valleys and waterfalls. So you can see this picture is the canyon. Means due to the erosional work of the river, canyons are formed. Say what is the canyon? Means the river flows at a great, mainly river is originate at the mountainous region. See here the river originate in the mountainous region and the bed of the river is eroded more than the bank of the rivers. Means in the mountainous areas the river flow with a great speed because of the slope of the land, and therefore the bed of the river gets eroded more than its banks and it gives rise to the gorge that has also has a steep banks and the narrow bed. Means you can see in this picture how the steep slope is there and the river bed is eroded more than the banks. These landforms are formed, it is known as the canyon. See the next, you can see this picture is also about the canyon. Yeah, it is also known as the gorge. Yeah, see next is the waterfall. Means how the waterfalls are formed due to the erosional work of the river. Means in such areas what happen, there is the two types of rocks are there in the river bed, hard rocks and the soft rocks. Means hard rock and soft rock next to each other, and the soft rocks are eroded faster than the hard ones. You can see hard rocks are and soft rocks are there, and soft rocks are eroded more than the hard rocks, and there is the difference is seen in the height along the river beds and leads the formation of waterfall. So you can see how the water is flowing from the height, as there is a difference in the height. Hard rocks and the soft rocks, means soft rocks are eroded and these landforms are formed, it is known as the waterfall. See, next is the V-shaped valleys. Opposite of the gorge only, in the V-shaped valleys, the banks of the rivers are eroded more than the bed, and this V-shaped later is formed. This is called the V-shaped valleys. Means due to the erosional work of the river, landforms are formed like gorge, V-shaped valleys and waterfalls. Okay. See now, transportation and deposition by the river, and due to transportation and deposition by the river, which landforms are formed. You can see a river flows down the slope of a hilly region, and at the foothills of the change, the slope causes deposition of the coarse sediments, and as these are deposited in a triangular shape, they are the form the alluvial fan. Means see the, you can see this is the picture of the alluvial fans are there. Means all the material carried by the river, it is deposited of the coarse sediments as foothills of the mountain. Yeah, at the foothills, the change in the slope causes, and this deposition are of the coarse sediments, and as these are deposited in a triangular shape, you can see the triangular shape is there of this alluvial fans, and this is called the alluvial fans, and these are the formed due to the deposition of the river work. See next now, these are the Oxbow Lake and the Meandering River. You can see the pictures. These are the Oxbow Lakes and the Meandering. So what is the Oxbow Lakes and the Meandering? Means as the steepness of the slope decreases and the transporting capacity of the river reduces, it starts flowing slowly and it bends. That is the meander. Meander means what here? Bend. The river bends upon its way in an effort to cross even small obstacle. Means if the small obstacle come in the river path, no, river change its course, and whatever material brought by the river, it deposited there only, and river change its course. Like a zigzag path of the river is known as the meandering of river, and by the time of the river reaches the sea, its riverbed becomes very wide and its speed become very slow, and the sediments of the rivers get deposited in its bed and on the bank. See, these are the landforms are formed due to the work of the river. Means erosion and transportation. See, next is the deltas are formed. You can see what is the delta. Means whatever when each and every river met to the ocean, and before it entered into the ocean, means there is the, this continuous deposition leads to the formation of the plain in the shape of the triangle. It is called the delta. Means when the river entered into the sea waves are opposed the river water, and this river water is moving backwards and bifurcated in the number of channels, and that it is looking like also triangle. This near the mouth of the river, this triangle shape is formed and deposited all the material. This is called the deltas. Means near the mouth of the river like Ganga, Godavari, Kaveri, these rivers are also form the deltas. Okay. See the next landforms we have seen about the flood levees are remaining. See the, what is the flood levees are there. Flood levees and the flood plains, these are also formed due to the deposition. Means we have seen that delta, then alluvial fan, and the flood levees and the flood plains, these are formed due to the deposition of work of the river. What is the flood levees? When in flood the river deposits its coarser material on the bank, and which in the due to the course rises parallel to the bank of the river. These are called the flood levees. You can see as shown in the picture, these are the parallel to the banks of the river. This is called the flood levees. And what is the flood plains? The finer silt deposited away from the bank during the flood form the plains. Means the near the bank of the river, the plains are formed in the during the flood. Means during the flood, these form the plains on the either side of the river. They are called the flood plains. Means these are the different landforms are formed due to the work of the river, erosion, gorge, V-shaped valleys and waterfalls, and due to the transportation and deposition, these are the alluvial fans, deltas, flood levees, flood plains, and meanders या oxbow lakes are also formed. So these are the different landforms are formed due to the work of the river. So next video we will learn about the glacier. Thank you.